Okay, so for our first example, we're going to use the same one that I was talking about earlier. And we're going to do the same example we're going to do in terms of y. So we should get the same answer, right? Areas can change. So we're going to do this one in terms of y, and we'll go in the y direction, and we should be able to get the exact same answer that we got before. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite f of x and g of x in terms of u and v, and in terms of y. So I'm going to say, since y equals x squared is equivalent to x equals plus or minus the square root of y. But again, like I said before, we're only interested in the positive value of the parabola. And so this is going to be my u. My u of y equals or is this going to be v? Just want to make sure. Yeah, v. Because I want this to be I want to be consistent. So this is going to be v. And now I'm going to take g of x, and that means y is equal to 2 minus x, which is equivalent to saying x is equal to 2 minus y. And so that's going to give us that u of y is equal to 2 minus y. And so these are the two expressions for the functions. And then now, what is our interval? C and D. What's C and D? Well, this time we're going to go from 0 to 1, right? So our interval is from 0 to 1. Oops. In the y direction. So again, we're considering all y in the interval 0 to 1. Okay, so now all I have to do is set up my integral based on the theorem. So I'm going to go from 0 to 1. And my top function is the one on the right. My bottom function, if you will, is the one on the left. So right minus left. So it's going to be my u minus v. So it's going to be, oh here, let me do this. Okay. And so I'm going to fill in 0 to 1, and then 2 minus y minus square root of y dy. And now I'm just going to integrate. So just like before. So it's going, what am I going to, I'm integrating with respect to y, so this is going to become 2y minus 1/2 y squared minus what? That. Yeah, that's right. From 0 to 1. Now, since all of these have a y in it and 0 to any, 0 to any power is 0, so this thing is going to go to 0 at 0. So we can actually just evaluate it at 1, right? Because I'm just going to be subtracting 0. So this will be 2, right? 2 times 1 is 2 minus 1/2 minus 3/2. Or no, not 3/2, 2/3. Right? And so what do we get? So obviously this is just going to be minus 0, like I said. We're just going to be subtracting off 0. So what do we get? We get 2 minus a half, which is 1 1/2, right? Or 3/2. And this is going to give us what? Well, 3/2. Should get 5/6, right? Double check. 2 minus a half is 1 1/2, which is 3/2. 3/2 minus 2/3, that's the same as what? 9/6, right? 9/6 minus 4/6, which gives us 5/6. And so we get the same answer. And the units are squared, of course. And that's it. So there you go. So why don't you guys try this one? Here's one for you guys. So this is the other one, the same one that I gave you before. So try this one, the same one, but in the y direction. So same one. If you want to look it up, you can. Okay, so the same one. So again, 3/2 minus x over 2, and then we got this one, which is f of x equals the square root of x, right? And we're saying they intersect at 1, 1. Okay, again, my drawing. Okay, so go ahead and do this one in terms of the y direction. So same one that you did before, but this time I want you to do it in terms of y. Okay, have a good day.